Brilliant. Well, you've got to tow them behind, haven't you? I've got my kiteboard. It's in the boot.
He's only just got down.
Yeah, until he wants to get
Until he wants to go.
It's probably not the best place to do it, it's sewage water. I thought that would be an electricity place in the best place. It's not water, but that would have gone bang pretty quick, wouldn't it? Yes. That garden.
You're just gone over your worries.
Still at the top of the pond, isn't that bad?
That is quite amazing.
This is
Yeah. Look at this, the sheer farming. All the branches and stuff are stopping it going through there. It's almost like jumping out and clearing them, isn't it?
It revs up, you'll be fine.
Where's your air intake? Is it at the top?
no, I don't have a.
Top of the bonnet. You'll be alright in
I
this.
don't have a.
Oh, there's a truck coming through.
Oh yeah, let's just
Just what you want.
plough your
Bow
way
way.
through.
He's backing up.
Now, if he's got any sense, he'll be looking at how deep it's in my vehicle.
There's no water coming in, it's not that deep.
He's backing up.
Still just below the snow.
Done this before.
I have.
I thought you were going to bail out then.
Jesus.
That's,
what a tit.
that Mercedes is going to be a very unhappy Mercedes in about 30 seconds time.
We tell him before he starts floating. That's above his door.
That is above. That's got to be above his air intake, surely.
Oh, it's going to be thousands of pounds. You can see
These
dickhead
are
written on his
cracked.
forehead.
Yeah, I'm waiting for him to come through.
It's like I want to move out of the way so this guy can pull into it. Jesus, how the hell did that make it through?
German engineering.
Missing out the exhaust. You would just rev the nuts out of it now, wouldn't you? Fire any water out.
I'd turn it off actually.
Really?
Yeah, I would take the plugs out and run it over without the plugs in. But then it's a modern engine, it probably wouldn't like that either.
Diesel.
Don't know.
The biggest problem is you can't you can't, don't you?
Yeah. That's why I have a Land Rover without one.
Yeah, mine I have a cat. Mine will also probably scrape the bottom off now.
Jesus, this is bad. This is.
I haven't got wet feet yet.
No, it's not quite up to the sill of the door yet.
You turn the rear window.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't attempt this in my car.
You were going to go for it as well, weren't you?
I was.
There's water running down there, so
It's still coming in, it's getting deeper still.
hopefully the tide doesn't come in more than it's meant to. All the stuff that's sitting on my top of my trailer will be gone. Yeah.
Nothing to write home about, but fine.
So that's the better plan, is to go down that road there, down First Avenue. I don't know why
Oh, but
people aren't
they-
doing it. If you go down First Avenue, you cross on the seafront road,
Right.
and then you miss all this. You go down there, turn right, then you end up in the front.
Yeah.
Just rude.